Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking at making a PDF of photos on your mobile device, it's very possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm on my mobile device and I use an Android, and you can do the exact same with your iPhone. So I'm going to jump into Canva, and once you're in Canva, you can go ahead. At the bottom you can see that there is a big purple plus icon. You're going to go ahead and tap on this, and from here you can go ahead and choose the type of document you would like to create. So let's go ahead and just use this doc right at the top. It's an auto size. So what it's going to do is it's going to size to whatever media you input here. All right, so once this is open, you can now go to the bottom of your page. You'll see that there is a plus icon, and you can tap on this. From here you can go to uploads at the bottom of the page, and here you can see that I've uploaded some images. So you can tap on upload an image or video from here, but for now I'm literally going to use the images that I've already uploaded. We can go ahead and tap on the first image, and as you can see over here, this is my image, and you can now go ahead, resize it, put a frame on it. You can give it some special effects. We're going to go again to the bottom of the page. We're going to hit that purple plus button, and we're going to select our second image. Again, we're going to go to the bottom, we're going to hit that purple plus button, and we're going to upload our third and final image. Now, as you can see over here, this is 3 pages. Okay, and you can now add an additional page if you would like to. Now, what we're going to do is, on the top right hand side, you'll have your toolbar, and you can see that there is an arrow and it's pointing downward. You can go ahead, you can now click on that, and it says save as, and here it says file type, and you can choose PDF standard. You can also choose the size that you would like to do this in, and then you can go ahead and tap on download. This will now be downloaded as a PDF. Of course, you can do any type of editing that you would like to do on Canva. It's a fantastic design tool. You now have a PDF of images. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like, share it with a friend. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.